getting you the latest reaction from the chairman of Bar Council. He has hit out at the Safe Constitution lobby. He said that one should not reduce the book of Constitution to a joke. Listen in to that statement.
हमारे संविधान का माखौल ना उड़े, इसको मजाक ना बनाया जाए। देश का संविधान, आरक्षण या लोकतंत्र को कोई खतरा नहीं है। आप सभी बुद्धिजीवी बखूबी जानते हैं, देश को यदि सही मायने में खतरा है तो इन बेबुनियाद बयानबाजी से जो सीधी सादी भोली भाली अनभिज्ञ जनता को बरगलाने का प्रयास करती है। Constitution is safe, reservation is safe at the hands of our Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Chief Justice of India. हमारे संविधान का माखौल ना उड़े, इसको मजाक ना बनाया जाए। देश का संविधान, आरक्षण या लोकतंत्र को कोई खतरा नहीं है। आप सभी बुद्धिजीवी बखूबी जानते हैं, देश को यदि सही मायने में खतरा है तो इन बेबुनियाद बयानबाजी से जो सीधी सादी भोली भाली अनभिज्ञ जनता को बरगलाने का प्रयास करती है। रिजर्वेशन।
And next we get you details of how West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose in the latest met with Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal. This happened a short while ago in the national capital. Remember, the West Bengal Governor has been having back-to-back meetings with central ministers regarding the situation on women's safety in West Bengal, especially after all the focus has been on the RG Kar incident. We are getting you these pictures of the Bengal governor who arrived to meet with Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal. This also happens to be extremely important because Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while at that event, had once again battled for women's safety and said that there is a need for stricter measures to be taken when it comes to securing women. And those are the pictures on your screens, live pictures of Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, who is in the national capital, and he has arrived at the residence of Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal. You would remember how he had met with the protesting doctors at RG Kar. He had assured them that not only will justice be given in the RG Kar case, but also the very fact that women's safety and doctors' safety is certainly the priority. Let me cut across to Riyanka, joining us on the broadcast to take us through the details of this particular meeting. Over to you.
Well, amid the nationwide protest over the Kolkata rape and murder case, Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal met with Governor of West Bengal C.V. Ananda Bose. Remember earlier that the governor had apprised of the situation to Home Minister Amit Shah previously, and he stayed back and this amid the uproar and the situation, the ground situation in West Bengal's Kolkata, where there is a massive agitation amongst the people there who have in fact raised their voice in terms of asking justice for the victim. On the other hand, we have seen that the West Bengal governor has gone ahead and met with Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, and he has apprised him of the entire situation that has panned out, and also have in fact sought his directions as to what needs to be done next in terms to maintain the law and order situation in the state of West Bengal. So several such developments are in fact taking place. What we're also getting to know that there are demands for a stronger legislation in terms of crimes against women. Regarding that, this meeting is also quite crucial when it comes to the law minister of the nation. So there is a possibility that there were several discussions in terms of getting special strict legislation against the crime against women, as well as the governor informing about the situation in the state of West Bengal and the uproar that is taking place in order to seek justice for the RG Kar victims.